Well, hello. My name is Izzy Lewis, and I have a 14-year-old son that was diagnosed with autism. And most people usually ask me, how do you do it? How do you make it seem so simple? So I've decided to start sessions to assist people with coping and recovery of autism. And I have two master's degree, and my son and I have decided to write a book together. So this is session one of our lessons to help families and people with friends that are supporting autism ASD. The first lesson is Lessons from a Son Autism, session one, and we're going to talk about 3 simple steps to overcome autism spectrum disorder, ASD. And you can join us and support us from anywhere in the world. We're not limited to people in the United States. So today we're going to talk about 3 simple steps of how to overcome autism. So the first thing you want to do is you want to realize what language you're going to accept. So you're not going to accept sayings that are negative. Don't accept sayings such as, my child cannot. Don't accept anything that says, my child will not. So if someone says, my child will not talk, don't accept it. My child will not swim, do not accept it. My child will not ride a bike, don't accept it. My child will not give hugs, do not accept it. Don't accept anything that says cannot. Again, we're doing 3 simple steps how to overcome autism, better known as ASD, autism spectrum disorder. You don't want to let any negative thoughts get into you. So what you want to do, our second step is you want to believe, and you want to believe again. You want to believe in your child's growth and advancement. You want to believe that your child can learn. You want to believe that your child will grow, both physically and mentally, because they will. So again, you want to believe in your child. So again, today we're discussing 3 simple steps of how to overcome autism spectrum disorder. And my name is Izzy Lewis. My son's name is Gavin Lewis Jackson, and we're both author of a book called Lessons from a Son, Lessons to a Mom, Autism. So our third step is you want to always be positive. You want to be positive. You want to speak positivity. You want to speak healing. You want to speak life into your child. You want to speak positivity every single day, every moment of the day. You want to speak healing. You want to speak life. You want to be positive. The reason why we want to be positive is for the simple fact that you are your child's advocate. You are your child's first teacher. You're your child's hope. Again, these are 3 simple steps of how to overcome autism. My name is Izzy Lewis. I have 2 master's degree in human development. I'm a counselor, and I'm also a magnificent mom of a child that survived autism and doing great. We're closing on this. This was great, but remember, you are your child's first advocate. You're your child's first teacher. You're your child's hope. And if we continue to think in those manners, that's how you overcome autism. We overcome with our thought process. And do know that this is not the end of us that you're seeing. We do want you to engage with us. Click like, subscribe, and comment with us. Let us know your experience. If you have any questions, you can also join us on our Facebook page. We have a Facebook page. It's called Recovering Autism Gav. So you can meet us at www.facebook.com/recovering autism, GAV, GAV. That comes to the end of our session for today. Again, feel free to comment below, like and subscribe to us. This is our first session, but we're excited to share with the world how to cope and overcome autism. Have a great day. Bye-bye.